Hi everyone, it's Donna from Spaceman Paper Crafts, and I am bringing you a project share today. This is the mini album that I made for our new granddaughter Ava. I just thought I would share it with you before I give it to her mum. The paper collection I used was this one. This is the Echo Park Sweet Baby Girl collection. The papers are really cute. They're just really pretty and really cute, and I bought some of the ephemera and chipboard pieces and enamel dots and things that went with the set, with the collection. So I've made it so it sort of stands up that way, so it looks really pretty on her shelf or bookcase or wherever she's going to put it. It's got 6 pages in it with inserts, so I'll open it up. It's got a magnetic closure at the top there, and then this is how it opens up. I haven't done a lot of embellishing on the inside purely because I wanted it to have it as like a little memory of her first year. So there's plenty of place for photographs and little mementos and things. So on this first page, I've got some nice chipboard pieces on there, and then this flap lifts up, and then in here I just made some little envelopes, so her mum can put little keepsakes in. Each insert is plain. They're all the same, but I've kept them plain because I wanted lots of space for journaling and photos, and each of them has a month on, so month 1 and 2 are on the 1st, and 3 and 4 and so on until she goes up to month 12. So there's plenty of place for journaling and pictures. So then on the next page I've just made a little tuck pocket here and another little envelope. I made all the envelopes using the envelope punch board, various different sizes. Some more chipboard pieces there and some enamel dots. Here is just to put her information, the date she was born, her length, her weight, and any other journaling that her mum wants to put there. And then I've just made a little waterfall piece there, just to add a little bit more interest to the page. As I said, I've kept it all very plain on the inside really, so she can I'm going to give her all the chipboard pieces and the ephemera and all the little embellishments that came with it, so then she can just embellish it herself when she adds photos and things like that. So here's a larger envelope there, and I've just used one of the ephemera pieces and just stuck it down on 2 sides so it creates a little tuck spot, and then use some of the little enamel stickers. This side I've just done this little magnetic flap that opens out, and then it opens that way and that way, so it's got plenty of journaling space, and I've just popped some little tags in another little tuck spot there, and then that just closes them with the magnet. Then on this side it's another different waterfall type thing, but it's just for photos, and then she's got a section there if she wants to journal. And then on this side again, just a tiny little pocket, used another chipboard piece there, and then I've embellished a couple of little envelopes that will fit in there, so she's got lots of storage. Because I know with when I had Riley, I had a scrapbook of his first year, and I saved everything, like the packaging on his first solid food, and I went to the zoo with my sister and her children, and you know, he can't remember, but I remember, and I kept little I bought some little postcards from the gift shop and stuck those in, and just little things that, you know, are nice to keep really. Big photo mat there. Then this little piece opens out like that, so you can add more photos or journal in there. This side I've got a little tuck spot there, and this flap lifts up, and then there's a big photo mat there, and then another big one here, and then a little pocket with another envelope. This is one that I just put together with magnets that just opened out, so it gives lots of room for journaling and things. And then the little tags as well, and then that just folds down like so. And then the last page, I've just made some little doors here using some brads, and they open out like so, and on this side you've got the bear, and on this side you've got a little rabbit, and that hides the brads then on that side. Oops, close that over. And then on the back, to finish it off, I've just stuck a little envelope down there, and then it's got more tags and little journaling pieces, and then this bit on the front just sort of keeps it closed. As I say, I kept it really plain, so she's got lots and lots of storage to put all her memories and different things in. And yeah, I'm actually seeing her today. They're travelling down from Oxfordshire to see us. So yeah, she's bringing Ava today. I went up there to see her after she was born, but it's nice just to, you know, be able to get some Ava time, get some cuddles in and things. So yeah, so I'm going to give this to her mum today. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I had no plan at the beginning of how I was going to do this album. I just knew that when I ordered the collection, I couldn't get the 12 by 12 papers, so I knew I wanted to make it just so I could use the 6 by 6 papers without too much of a hassle. So the pages are just over 6 by 6. I think they're 6 1/4 by 6.5, I think the pages. But yeah, so that worked quite well with the paper pad. I didn't do anything to the back. I thought she might want to put a nice photo there or something. But for the covers, I just used my I've got a Martha Stewart border punch, and I just used that on the covers, layered it all up, and then obviously you use the chipboard pieces to decorate the front. So thanks so much guys for watching this little project share. I hope you like it. I'm hoping to do some more albums. I want to do an Alice in Wonderland album, so I might make it a tutorial and do it in a few parts. If you'd like to see that, just let me know. And also, are there any other things that you would like to see on my channel? I know I've been very quiet of late. I still have my ongoing health issues, but I really want to start focusing on building back up my channel, not being so quiet, and focus again on crafting, because I do love crafting so much. And the people that I've met via my channel and Facebook, and it's just, you know, it's just wonderful, and you've all been amazing, and so many of you have reached out to me and emailed me and sent me messages, and I am very grateful to all of you. And I certainly wouldn't be doing anything on this channel without you guys, so for that I thank you. Oh, from the bottom of my heart, you have no idea. So yeah, so if there's anything you want to see, or anything you want me to give a go, or anything you don't like about the channel, just either pop a comment in the description bar below, or in the comment section below rather, or just drop me an email. My email address will be in the description bar below. Yeah, and just let me know if there's anything that you want me to see. if you anything you want to see me do, more albums or mixed media or more cards or different types of cards, different brands of things, just yeah, just let me know, because you know, at the end of the day, it's you guys that are watching what I create, so I want to make sure that you get the content that you're going to enjoy watching. So again, thank you so much everybody for watching. I really hope you like this project share, and I will be back with another video very, very soon. So take care guys, lots of love, bye for now.